What is going on, everybody? James at Tech Community here, and today I'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. Now, I have actually been using my Series 3 for a very long time, so actually it is time for an upgrade, and I'm excited to be opening up this one. I ended up getting the Abyss Blue version, so I'm actually really excited to see how this is going to look. Now, the unboxing experience is definitely much different than it was with my Series 3, because just pull these two tabs here, and you're welcome to this box, which I love this. I love the design here. That's actually really cool with all the different Apple Watches they have here on the inside of the box. That's really cool. They did definitely put attention to detail on the unboxing experience itself. And you end up getting two boxes inside here. You'll end up getting the Apple Watch band, as well as the Apple Watch pendant itself. So let's actually go with the, well, let's say best for last here. Let's go open up the watch band here so we can get a good idea of that blue color. I'm using the 42mm Series 3, so this will definitely be a good upgrade on size. And the blue color is actually a really nice blue. It's a nice deep blue color, which is really nice. I like that. Now let's move on to the pendant itself and see what that looks like. All right, well, as you can see here, you get the paperwork like you typically do. And underneath that, you end up getting your Apple Watch charger. So it looks like it'll be the same charging, like white charging puck as you get with any other previous generation, which is nice. Oh, actually, there actually is a little bit of a difference here versus this one versus my Series 3 one I got. It looks like you'll end up getting kind of a little bit of a silver, kind of aluminum feel, I believe it is, around the edges. Where the one that came with my Series 3, oh, even on the bottom too, and the one that came with my Series 3 was all white. It was all plastic, and it's actually USB-C versus the old version of USB-A, which is really nice. I like that. I like that everything's going to USB-C. And here's the watch itself. Now I can already tell this definitely has more weight to it than my old Series 3, which is really nice. Now, the one thing I want to see here is I want to see if this is actually compatible with my Series 3 bands. It looks like if you are coming from a Series 3, it looks like the watch band will actually be compatible for the Series 7 watches, which is definitely nice. As you can definitely tell here, the screen is going to be much bigger on the Series 7 versus the Series 3 because since it comes all the way out to the edges, and there's really a smaller bezel versus the Series 3 one I have right here. So if you're coming from a Series 3, I definitely think this is going to be a good upgrade in screen size. And also with the extra features you'll be getting with this too over the Series 3. Honestly, I think this would be a good upgrade. So this is everything you'll be getting with the Apple Watch Series 7. If you guys like this video, definitely hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to catch more videos like this in the future. And as always, it's been James at Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.